Welcome back to Plants Are Speaking. Are you listening? Today, I want to talk to you about a sort of random act of kindness, planting seeds. And what I mean by that is helping others by actually sharing your wisdom or advice or your knowledge in a situation. So go around and plant those seeds, but realize you don't get the chance to say when they will germinate. So don't be frustrated if you help someone and those seeds that you planted with them don't germinate today or a week from today or maybe a month. Sometimes it can take years, and sometimes they won't even remember that you said it. But it doesn't matter. It will stay with them, and those seeds that you planted will germinate when they need to germinate. Thanks for listening. Be sure to like, subscribe, or ring the bell for future episodes.